Hi, my name's Bruce. I've dealt with Bjorn for a number of years and he's done excellent work for me. He's always sold his properties for the prices that he told me at the original time, and he's given me very good advice, and I'm more than happy with him, and I would recommend him to anybody. I've bought properties from him and I've sold properties, and both myself and my wife have been more than happy with his attitude and dealing with him. We've purchased 4 or 5 properties from him and we've developed those properties, and in all occasions it's worked out very well for us. I think Bjorn has got the personality that's very approachable. You can pretty much say what you like to him and he will tell you what he actually thinks. He won't tell you what he thinks you want to know. It's always what he thinks, and together we come to a conclusion of what we want to do, and that's why it works out best for all of us.